Water is essential for life and is one of the most important items in your emergency supplies. We cannot live without water. You will need a supply of water for drinking, for personal hygiene, and for cooking in your grab and go bag, your vehicle kit, your work kit, and school kit, as well as for your home emergency supplies. In this lesson, you will learn how much water you need for drinking, cooking, and personal hygiene purposes. You will learn how to prepare and store water and safe alternate sources of water. Let's start with how much water you need each day. International guidelines for water requirements in survival situations recommend 2 to 3 liters of drinking water per person per day, 2 to 6 liters for personal hygiene, and 3 to 6 liters for cooking. However, individual needs depends on the person, age, activity, diet, health, and climate. Most people don't normally drink that much and may only consume 1 to 2 liters a day. Likewise, depending on the foods you include in your emergency supplies, you may only need 1 to 2 liters per person a day for cooking, and the same for personal hygiene. A total of 3 to 6 liters per person per day, including what you need for drinking. The best strategy to know exactly how much you will need is to monitor your family's water consumption over a weekend and over a few days during normal work days and adjust your supplies accordingly. Your grab and go bag should have 3 to 7 days worth of water for drinking, cook, and hygiene. Your bag will be heavy to carry with adequate amounts of water, so you may need to be creative, such as putting the water in a wagon, a rolling cart, or a suitcase with wheels. Water containers are available in various sizes at camping, hardware, and outfitter stores. Your home supplies should include at least a 7-day supply of water, but try to aim for at least 3 weeks worth if you can. Remember, your hot water heater can supply over 40 gallons of water as long as the tank has been secured to withstand the hazards in your area. Large drums or tanks are commercially available at many safety or survival stores. You'll want to stock enough supply that you will not need to collect water from alternate sources such as lakes, rivers, ponds, or rainwater. However, if water supply is cut for an extended period, you should have a plan to know how to collect and disinfect water from alternate sources. Instructions on how to safely collect water from your hot water tank and alternate sources is covered in another course about water. Don't forget about your pets. Include up to 1 liter of water per day for each pet. You can monitor your pet's consumption to have an exact measurement. Keep in mind that during a disaster, your pet may be particularly stressed and pant more, which will require more hydration.